Thank you for choosing Blade for your restoration business. In this video, we'll explore the General Inputs console and account settings. Let's get started. Start by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner of Blade, then click Account Settings and select the General Inputs tab. This tab includes multiple tiles, each one controlling a different group of settings and standardized inputs used throughout Blade. These lists are fully customizable and help your team stay consistent when naming jobs, entering affected rooms, filtering services, and more. Each settings tile functions in a similar way. Add, edit, or remove a setting using the tools located at the bottom panel of each settings group. To add a new setting in any category group, select or enter text, then click the Add button. To remove a setting, select the item, then click the Remove button. To edit a setting, select it, make changes in the input box in the bottom panel, then click the Update button. Settings that do not have a selectable checkbox are default Blade settings. These settings cannot be edited or removed. Okay, now let's briefly review the purpose and use of each setting. The Job Names tile lists the 7 trades supported by Blade. Trades are types of disaster restoration work. This setting group allows you to create custom job names for each trade. Job names are selectable throughout Blade. The Job Status tile shows the default job status queues. For now, these are system-controlled and cannot be edited. Learn more about job status queues in the written material below this video or by clicking the information pop-up. The User Roles tile allows you to create internal labels like Project Manager, Lead Technician, or Billing Supervisor. These roles are not tied to permissions. They're purely for reference and task assignments. The main level filter and sub-level filter tiles are used to organize your service list. These filters appear when users search for services to add to a job. For example, for a HEPA vacuum service line item, the main filter is Apply, Sand, Clean, Vacuum, and the sub-level filter is Vacuum. Then, when entering work performed, we'll select Apply, Sand, Clean, Vacuum, and then select the Vacuum sub-level filter. The search list will only search and display service items that meet the selected filter criteria. Here we see our HEPA vacuum service list item in the filtered search list. Room levels define the vertical location of a room, like basement, main floor, or upper floor. Room names define the type of space, like bathroom, kitchen, or living room. Blade automatically combines levels and rooms to make selection options when users enter affected rooms throughout the app. Common tasks are simply descriptions of internal activities that your team may perform on a routine basis. Things like pick up equipment, meet adjuster, or daily monitor and check. These options are available when assigning tasks from the job screen. Standardizing them keeps your documentation and task list consistent. Use these standard task descriptions or simply type your own task description when creating a new task. This tile defines why certain leads don't convert to jobs. When closing a lead, your team will be asked to select one of these reasons. This improves reporting and helps you analyze your sales funnel in a consistent way over time. Type of loss is self-explanatory. Users will be prompted to select a type of loss when adding a new project to Blade. These values will automatically port into Xactimate when you export a Blade project to Xactimate. Read more about Unit of Measure in the information pop-up. Quick links are documents that appear on the Blade dashboard for every user in your account. These are great for things like safety manuals, training guides, or company policies. Click the upload icon to browse and attach a file. Okay, that's a quick overview of the major settings on the General Inputs console. Explore other training modules in the Support Center to get the most from Blade, the software that helps you maximize profit and quickly turn your hard work into cash.